Oh, okay, Braden, look. This right here. Do you see the little pin I'm talking about? Let me see with the dollar. So hold it with the left hand. Okay.
Always on the first one.
It wasn't pumped, Caleb.
Can you only do it 3 times? Does he have to do it 4?
4.
Go here. Stop. Now go. Safety's on. Oh, good job.
You know, I think that wasn't a great log either, huh? Did it break right through?
You fell through the log. Come here. Your hand. Give me their hand. Jump. Walk down there. Walk up and come there and wait. Wait. Give me your hand and jump all the way right here. Give me your hand. I want to hold your hand.